Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this little Valentine's Day envelope that I got at Dollar Tree like a long time ago, and I just kind of had it in my stash and I wanted to use it for a Christmas ornament. So the first thing I'm going to do is just heat up that sticky star and then just scrape it off, and then I also gave it a quick sand. Next, I'm going to take my wax applicator and I'm going to put a little black around the edges of the envelope. Next, I had this really small doily. I think I got this from Temu or Amazon. And I'm going to take some wax on my applicator, some of my antique wax, and I'm just going to kind of lightly brush it onto the doily. And I had to be really careful because this is really delicate. But you can use any doily that you have. You could even use a fabric one. And then I am going to Mod Podge that right on the inside of the envelope. So I'm just going to put a little bit of Mod Podge down and then set that in there. And while I still have the space, I am going to take some of the lace ribbon from Dollar Tree and I'm going to add a hanger to the inside. So I just pulled it through that little hanger that was on there that I cut off. And then I'm just going to tie it in a knot. And I want to do this before I add anything else so that when I glue everything down, that it will stay and I won't have to fight through all that to put the hanger on. I'm going to trim off the excess up there. Next, I have this little postcard that came in a pack of scrapbook paper at Hobby Lobby. It was in one of those $6.99 packs, and I'm just going to add some antique wax around the edges of it. It's just got a little cardinal on it. Next, I had these really pretty stickers from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take my wax applicator and just add some black to those. So I did those two bottom piece and then this cutout. And I'm going to add this one to the center of my envelope right on the front. And I know they're stickers, but I used a little hot glue just to give them a little extra stick. Then I'm going to take one of these edge ones and I'm going to put that on the right side, and then I'm going to do the opposite for the left. And this is going to kind of fold over the front of the envelope. And that's where the glue comes in handy. Again, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And I love the way this looks already. How cute. Next, I'm going to take that little Cardinal postcard and I'm going to add that into the envelope. And I just did that with a little hot glue. Next, I'm going to take these little stickers from Michael's, I believe is where I got these. And I pulled out one that says memories, and I'm just going to peel that apart so I have just the word memories. And then I'm going to glue that to that little piece that we put in the front. And then once I had that attached, I can start adding my greenery to the envelope. So I'm just going to start adding small little bits of greenery. And I just took a bunch of picks that I had from Hobby Lobby, Walmart, and Dollar Tree and just started adding them into the envelope. And you can use whatever you have on hand. And I'm just going to keep filling it until it's full, but I don't want to cover the Cardinal postcard. So I'm just going to kind of go around, making sure that you can still see the Cardinal and the postcard. But I still want it to kind of have a full feel. So as you can see, I added a few more pieces of greenery, and then I had that one that's in the front, and it has that, I don't know, it's like a purple colored berry in it, and I cut that off because I just didn't think that it looked right with the project. So I'm going to stuff that back in once I have that all cut off, and just kind of fill your envelope with whatever you want, just making sure that you don't cover the Cardinal and just kind of leave him open. And that is it. This project is done. I think this turned out so super cute. And I know a lot of people love Cardinal crafts for Christmas, especially with loss of loved ones. And I think this is just perfect for that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.